I'm Garry Miller, and I have a role as the Director of the Graduate School of Engineering at the University of Auckland. I'm a civil engineer by background. So the Master of Civil Engineering is created for people who already have a bachelor's degree in civil engineering, who want to go deeper into their topics. And it has a number of specializations. So really, if you want to deepen your knowledge and specialize even further, then this is a degree for you. There are a number of reasons for doing a master's degree. The taught masters is a way of gaining more knowledge and enhancing your skills and competences. It also includes a research path, so if you want to investigate a topic and understand that more deeply. And I think all of those also link really strongly if you want to progress your career as a civil engineer. In terms of people who can take the program, then anybody who has an aspiration to be an engineer, anybody who has either a bachelor's degree or considerable work experience as an engineer in the sector. Within this degree, there are a number of pathways. Firstly, there's the option to do either on campus or to do a route fully online. If you want to have the on-campus experience, then the learning is very much in the classroom and in the laboratories. If you're looking for a flexible learning opportunity, then there is a pathway online, which is designed to give you the same learning outcomes, but you can take it remotely. For entry into the program, we'll consider a range of previous qualifications. If you have a BE Honours in civil engineering, then you can apply for the 1-year full-time program, 120 points. If you have a cognate area degree, or if your degree is, say, 3 years, then you can apply for the 180-point Master of Civil Engineering. So that's 18 months full-time. So there's two main areas. There's a taught pathway, so you're doing instructed courses and you're learning and developing your knowledge and skills. There is also then the research pathway, so you do a thesis and you're investigating a problem more in depth. And that research pathway is for people who have a particular interest and passion in learning about research. Graduates from the program will be employed in a range of industries and sectors. The civil sector is actually quite broad and there's a high demand for engineers. Specifically, there are roles as designers, typically for consultants. Then there's the people who construct our infrastructure, working for the contractors. And the other area, the third area, which often engineers go into, is working for employers, so the owners of assets. That includes the public sector, so government and local government sector, and then the privatized industries that own a lot of assets. And all of those roles are really exciting roles for engineers. There are lots of opportunities to connect with industry. If your employer is sponsoring you through the program, then you can do your project on an issue which the employer helps identify. And the employer may well put in a mentor to help with that. We also put in a supervisor who supervises from the academic point of view. The other opportunity is if you don't have an employer, is you come and do the degree with us. And there are lots of employers who would like students and would like to engage with students. And those research projects are common, and every student has the opportunity to do a research project. In this program, there are multiple hands-on project experiences. The first area is in the labs, where there's hands-on work using experiments and equipment. The second area is on projects which you're working in small groups, which are often part of the assessments and the assignments. And there's great learning in working in small groups. And the third main area is in your major projects. So every student has the option to do a major project, which invariably has elements of hands-on work experience. If you're coming into this program, I'd say stir up your appetite to learn and to come in hungry and have that desire to give your best. The more you give into this, the more you'll take out of it and the more you'll gain. And that really is key. Have that appetite, that hunger to learn, and that will see you to be successful through the program.